This is the English Literature Wave YouTube channel. I am Professor L.B.Gayakawad is teaching today on the topic the camera shots in the film. Remember, the camera is very much important part of the film because it takes the photographs and those photographs are collected in the form of the film. So the camera shots are very important in the film. Our focus is on the camera identification of the camera shots. Means when there is the use of the camera, the focus is on the camera only, and the use of the camera is identified very nicely because the shots are there to be taken because the film is to be produced. Then we should use the application of the camera shots in the film. Remember, the camera is too much important in the film. That's why the application of the camera is very much important there. And the camera should be used by the director or the filmmaker very differently. And in this way, if the camera is used by them, then the film is very much useful or successful for the audience. Without these cameras, remember, if there is no camera or if there are no shots of the camera in the film, then the film cannot be made very successful or the film will not be prepared. And that's why here I will say that the camera shots are important in the film. There is the camera angle. Remember, if the camera is utilized in the film, the camera angle, or we will say the particular way of the camera, is very much useful in the creation of the film. It is known as the process of titling the camera while filming. Means when there is the film making or when the film director or the filmmaker are making that particular film, it is very much known that they use the camera, but when they use the camera, they give the title to the camera. Means the camera is titled there because the camera is used in the sense of the various facilities, I will say, and that's why the camera is given there the different names. And this is the process called straight on angle, and so this process is called the process of the straight on angle. In this position, the camera is held at the same height to film the shot. Remember, when this process straight on angle means this angle is completely straight, means it is not suppose at this side or at that side, or it is not at the left or right side. It is straight angle, means the camera is put in the straight angle, and that's why in this position the camera is held at the same height. Same height means the height is the same, and when that height is the same, it is very much purpose that it is the straight angle. And when this straight angle is used there, then the actors are there and shots are put upon the actors there. Then there is the high level, I will say the angle or is the position of the camera there. High level camera position is also there. Here in this position, the camera, or I will say the camera man, films from the above side of the object. Means remember, if the persons are there, things are there, or actors are there, then in filming of that particular situation, the camera or the cameraman films there from the above side. Means the cameraman is there on the above side and the actors are there below side, and in this way that camera focuses upon, I will say, the actors or the objects, I will say. The low angle level is there through which the camera looks up or looks upwards at the objects. Remember, now we are discussing about the low angle level, means when there is the low angle level of the camera, then the camera is set or the camera is put in the direction that the camera looks upward at the object. At the object means, I will say, at the actors or at the persons or at the situations, or I will say at the particular background, means that low level angle uh, is fixed there, and that low level angle uh, camera focuses upon those characters. Then there is the oblique angle, which is used for filming the shots in the film. Oblique, remember, the camera is oblique, means that camera is put in the oblique situation, and that oblique situation is very much useful for the filming, I will say, because if those actors are in the oblique situations means, suppose rather, I will say, rather taking the uh, other side, I will say, and when the oblique angle is used for filming the shots in the film, in this situation, I will say the camera is titled as the sideways, means that camera has been used uh, as the sideways, means it is put at the sides, or it is put at this side or at that side, and that's why it is called the oblique angle of the camera. It means the camera is used as sideways. It means that the camera is used as sideways, means the camera is put at the right side or left side or front side or back side. In this way, the camera is put there. The camera is set here in such a manner that it takes the total information of the characters or the actors. Remember, then this camera in the position of this takes the total information, means the total background of the actors, means it is really, I will say, that the particular situation in which the total background, the total situation or the total information is taken by that camera, then the camera is changed here as per the actors work system, means there are the actors and these actors work their scenes, and as per their scenes or as per their discussions or dialogues, this camera is changed, means the sides of the camera are changed, and that's why we can say that this is the uh, oblique camera, or this is the sideways camera, or the camera is put in the name of the sideways. So here today we have finished the information on the topic camera shots or the camera sides. Again we will come together with a new topic. Till then, thank you very much.